videos. Today, we're making banana bread. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 120 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 3 large bananas, 65 milliliters of water, 7 milliliters of baking powder, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate soda, and a pinch of salt. Start by adding around 120 grams of butter in a bowl. Follow that up with a cup of sugar. Then beat it together until light and fluffy. Then peel and squish 3 large bananas and add it to the mixture. After that's mixed in, break and add 2 eggs to the mixture, one at a time. Then, in a separate bowl, sift 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, and 7 milliliters of baking powder. Once that's done, add it to the mixture and mix it all in. Then, dissolve a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda in around 65 milliliters of water. Add it to the mixture and mix it in. Then, butter a bread tin to prevent sticking and pour the mixture in. You can even it out with a spoon. Then, put it in the oven for around 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You can turn it around halfway to ensure it cooks evenly. You can tell when it's cooked by sticking a knife in the middle of it, and it should come out clear. Once that's done, take it out the oven and leave it for around 10 minutes before cutting around the edge and turning it over. Leave it for at least 30 more minutes before it's ready to be cut and served.